installed a fuel filter, a new fuel filter, and a fuel pressure gauge to see where my fuel pressure is. I think it's running a little high. It's a brand new carburetor, and I'm thinking this sucker's Edelbrock is only supposed to take about between 5 and 5.5. 6 at the most, and this sucker's reading. I can't see it. It's reading right at like 6. So we'll kind of see. I'm going to give me a fuel pressure regulator. Get a new fuel pump. See if you can see that. Probably better can see it. You barely can see it, but it says about 5.5. Well, it said 6 pounds. It was at 7. So I'm thinking this damn fuel pump is so cheap. AutoZone fuel pump that I had put on here when I had the motor installed. Like I said, the motor is a brand new GM Goodrich engine. Has about 1,000 miles on it now, so we're gonna see what's going on with it. Been having a little issue with the spark advance, vacuum advance canister. I switched it from ported to full manifold vacuum, and it stopped the hesitation some. So I'm thinking I'm gonna have to do some adjustments to that vacuum advance canister on this sucker. It's a brand new. It's a brand new distributor. So it's a brand new Edelbrock carburetor. Like I said, it's a brand new XL HEI distributor. You can see that. It's brand new. And I think I got the box right here. Yeah. Brand new. Had it put in about 3 weeks ago. She running pretty strong right now. So I'm gonna do some more tweaking to it. See how everything goes. But the pressure is slowly bleeding off. And I'm thinking that fuel pump is putting out a little too much fuel pressure. Just a tad bit. But we gonna see. Got some more updates coming. I'm gonna do some more work to it. I'm gonna put some headers on. And replaced all the vacuum lines, which ain't that many. Having some issues with my setup on my carburetor as far as the kick down cable and everything. I'm about to buy a kit for it, I think, to make sure it lines up properly. It shifts okay, but it can be better. As far as anything else, that's gonna be about it as far as that. Later on, do some body work and put a hot cam in it probably and some new heads. Even though it's a new motor, but you know you always want more horsepower. But that's another story for another day. Peace out.